Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you a website that you can use to make up to $1,000 every 30 minutes. That's right, you just have to spend 30 minutes and boom, you'll be making $1,000. Now, why are they going to pay you? The reason is very simple. You're going to read stuff for them and they'll be paying you for it. What kind of content do you need to read, you might ask? The content is very simple. It'll be articles, podcast transcripts, ebooks. You just have to translate those words into your voice and that's it. You'll be making lots and lots of money online. No hard work, just simple stuff. Now, before we start, be sure to like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the notifications bell so that you get updates for future videos as well. Now, the website that I'm talking about is called Voices.com. You need to go to your internet browser and search for Voices.com. This is the world's #1 marketplace for voiceovers. You can sign up in seconds, and then you can start making money online using this website. You can see that this website is being trusted by Shopify, Microsoft, the History Channel, Discovery Network, Los Angeles Times, GoDaddy, Bell, Cisco, Hulu, and many others. So you can see that this is one of the most trusted brands when it comes to voiceovers. And a lot of big companies hire and get their voiceovers done using this website. Now, it's a very simple process like companies come to this website, they post a job, people apply to those jobs, and then they get their voiceover done and pay them. So, this is how you're going to make money. You need to apply to these jobs that are being posted on this website, and then for that, you'll be getting lots and lots of money online. Now, let me just show you what kind of money you'll be making. They have this page called Voiceover Rates you can go to and then see what kind of money you could make. So when you scroll down, you see that they're paying $1,000 for 30 minutes. Just see what other kind of money you could get. 45 minutes of work could make you $1,249, and for 15 minutes of work, you could get $749. So the money you're going to make is insane. This is something incredibly easy, and it's very trustworthy. And you might even do voiceovers for television. You can get contracts with other companies for lots of money. You can do voiceover for radio, internet ads, and you'll be making money for all that stuff. Now, you've got to know this website has the best voiceover talent, so you've got to have a good voice. This doesn't mean that you have to have an excellent microphone or a very professional voice, like, say, mine, for instance. You just need to have a decent voice, and you need to have clarity in your voice. That's it. You can't mumble words, you just have to simply say the words that are provided to you, and that's it. That's what you'll be making money for. Now, if you're going to get local projects using this website, you're going to get paid more. That's one of the secrets that most people aren't aware of. So this is what you need to do. Make a profile, and to do that, it's very easy. Just scroll down on this website and you'll see this option called Voiceover Jobs. You need to go to this, and you can see all the jobs that are being posted here. There are categories like animation, audiobooks, educational, business, internet ads, podcasting, telephones, video games, television, radio, and more. You can go to any one of these and you can see which jobs are being posted. Let's say I want to check jobs and animation, so I'll click on animation and it's going to show me first the process and the jobs available for animation voiceovers. So what I need to do is click on sign up for free here, and then you need to click on Find Work as Talent, and here the process is very simple. All you need to do is enter your full name, your email, your password, and that's it. That's all that's needed for you to create an account. It's a totally free account, and you can start finding jobs on this website and start making money online instantly. Now, you've got to know this website is simply amazing. You can sign up in an instant and then start making money online without doing a lot of work. You just need to do voiceovers for this website and you'll be getting paid. This is applicable throughout the world. You can in fact select that from which country you belong, what kind of accent you have, and then you'll see localized projects. The more local projects you see, the better you're going to get paid because people are looking for local voices from their own people, from their own region, and their own country. This way the product sells better, and that's where you come in. You're going to provide them voiceovers for local companies, for example, if you're living in India, if you're living in Bangladesh, or in Pakistan, Sri Lanka, or the Philippines, Nigeria, USA, Australia, Germany, anywhere really, you can provide voiceovers in those accents. And not only that, but you can actually select different languages. Yes, this website will also provide you an option to select different languages for voiceovers. You can be an English voiceover expert, or a German expert, or even a French expert. You can even select the accent you have and then get jobs accordingly. This website also has an amazing Android application which is available on the Google Play Store. So you can come to this app and start checking out the screenshot, and you'll see that this is the world's #1 marketplace for voiceovers. You can search for voice talent and also search for jobs. People can post high-quality audition requirements and hire you through this. And you'll see that you can add your voice samples like these, and people will be able to hire you with just one click. That's how easy it is. All contracts, milestones, and payments are done through this app. And you can get paid directly through your bank account. Now, they're not just restricted to Google Play Store, they also have an iOS application that you can get through the App Store. And you can search for Voices.com. They have an app there, and they have similar screenshots, and you can see that they provide you with everything you need to start getting amazing ratings and make money right away. Even using your Apple device. Right now, you can also start from your computer if you don't have an Android or iOS device. Now, what are the requirements? Well, you'll need 3 things in order to become a voice actor. First, you need to have a microphone. You don't need to have a professional microphone. Any microphone will do, even if it's just from your smartphone or your headphones. You can see that the quality of headphones is very good these days, so you can definitely use an earpiece as a microphone. Now, the second thing you need to have is a device from where you're going to record. If you're going to use your phone, that's perfect. There's no issues with that. The third thing is you need to have internet connection. That way you can submit your files online. If you have these things, then you can definitely start making money online using Voices.com and get started immediately. That way you don't lose out to other people who are already working on it. So, go to Voices.com right now and start your voiceover journey and make thousands of dollars every single day online. Now, don't turn off your computers. I have an amazing offer for you that'll help you earn $30 every time somebody clicks. No, you don't have to buy or sell anything. You don't even have to create any content or make videos. No skills are needed for this method. All you need to do is use this one-click app and you'll get $30 every time somebody clicks on it. You're just 3 steps away from eternal, never-ending free buyer traffic and massive paydays. Even the beginners are getting results, as you can see here on this screen. The name of this amazing app is ClickO. This is an amazing system that pays you every time somebody clicks on it, as you can see here. This is the best system because you still get paid even if nobody buys anything, which makes failure virtually impossible. This method works 24/7 and will help you earn more money online. This is a 100% genuine method that you can see the reviews of from the people making money using it. So, what are you waiting for? I've shared the link to this amazing app in the description below. Just go to the link, activate the app, and start earning money every time somebody clicks. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Don't forget to like the video, press the subscribe button, and tap the notifications bell so that you get notified for future videos as well.